Hi, this is Sarah Marks. I'm doing a video today to show you Cabells Scholarly Analytics, a database that's available to you through the UMass Lowell Library. It's increasingly important for you to be able to not just find journals to publish in, but to know how the impact of your article might be. Hi, this is Sarah Marks, one of the librarians here at UMass Lowell. It's increasingly important for faculty and graduate students to not just be able to find journals that they can publish in, but to know the impact of that journal on the world, and sometimes even the impact of their article on the world. When it comes to finding both a journal to publish in and the impact of that journal for your CV, we suggest using Cabells. While it was primarily a source for humanities and social science journals, it is increasingly including the harder sciences and health journals. And it's not 100% all the journals, but it's growing steadily. So this is one of the reasons we have invested in it. And it not just tracks the JCR metrics, but it also includes alt metrics and its own metrics for the journal itself. They have two different lists. We focus on the white list, and you can see here on their search page, we can only search their white list. But what they're increasingly adding is to help deal with predatory journals, a blacklist. But you want to see if your journal's on the whitelist. And there are going to be some that aren't here, even in the traditional fields that are included in Cabells. And that might be because they haven't been included yet, or they're too new to have some sort of impact or information available. Now you can search for a specific title, or you can search by topic. So I'm going to search for communication, and it's going to show me the journals that fit in that description. And you see here, the first one, we can compare between two journals, and we can see information about where they're published, when they were launched, open access. You can also see metrics, submission data, and review it as far as their reviews. But if you want to look at a specific title, say for your CV, to know its impact, you can click on it, and it starts by showing you what they publish. So if you're looking for journals to publish in, this tells you their disciplines, how often, their description, when they launched. But it also shows you things like how you can submit, you can view their guidelines, how often they accept, if it's single blind, just blind peer review, or double blind peer review, how long it takes for a review, if they'll provide you with comments, and all sorts of information about it. Then you can see the metrics. Not only is it giving you this Cabells classification index and the difficulty of the acceptance, it's giving you the Journal Citation Report's impact factor, which is a number a lot of people like to get. What's increasingly common are these alt metrics impact numbers. These show the impact within the social media, not just within the literature. Both numbers are somewhat important, but you decide which one you want to include. You can also find contact information, such as the journal website, where to submit, any calls for papers, and who their editor-in-chief is, complete with an email address so you can contact them. So as you can see, Cabells is a really good option for finding out your impact factor for your CV or for when you're deciding where to publish. We hope this video has been helpful, and let us know if you have any questions.